Why would you say you'd worship the ground I walk on? Why would you say that? You should have killed me. I'm tired. I'm so fucking tired. I need a nap. I'm the seagull. No. I am an actress. He is here. Yeah. Whatever, yeah. He didn't believe in the theater. He laughed at my dreams, and little by little I stopped believing and my spirit fell. I became consumed with matters of love and jealousy and constant insecurity. I became so small, pathetic. I acted with no purpose, no objective. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I didn't know how to stand on stage. I didn't control my voice. You don't understand what it's like to be aware that your acting is shit. I am the seagull. That's not it. Do you remember when you shot a seagull? For no reason. Out of sheer boredom, a person shows up and destroys. Plot for a short story. That's not what I'm talking about. What was I talking about? Oh yes, the theater. I'm not like that anymore. I am a real actress. I act with pleasure, with joy. I'm ecstatic on stage and I feel fucking fantastic. And I know now. I understand Cuesta that in our industry, and it doesn't matter which one, actor or writer, the most important thing isn't fame, isn't the spotlight, but it's patience. Bear your cross and have faith. And I have faith. And it doesn't hurt as much. And when I think about my calling, I'm not afraid to live